Okay, boo, hey, welcome back to my channel. For all my newbies, my name is Lay, and this little head you see here, this is Callie. She tends to make appearances in my videos almost all the time. So this is my baby. Let's get right into this. Today's look is going to be this beautiful, I want to call it like a simple glam look for Valentine's Day. A lot of dates don't like it when their girls or guys wear a lot of makeup on Valentine's Day. Now, granted, this is still a lot of makeup, but it's simple enough to wear when you go out, regardless of what you wear, whether you wear a nice cozy sweater or a banging dress, you'll be good to go regardless. Now, you can pair this eye look with gloss like I did. You can pair it with a bold, bright pink lip. You can pair it with even a red lip. I think would work well with this. I think this is the perfect eyeshadow for a red lip. We're all warm and cozy over here. You know, I'm married, so my Valentine's Day tends to consist of home dinners, Netflix and chill, and my babies. So if you're one of the newbies and this is your first time at my channel, I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. Please make sure that if you do like it, at the end of the video to subscribe to my channel. I will have a little picture of my face, and all you have to do is click on it and you'll be subscribed. If you want to be notified, then all you have to do is hit the little bell and you'll be notified every single time I do an upload. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I do a lot of product pictures so that you know exactly what I use. So with that being said, we can go ahead and get into the tutorial.
So guys, I know that you're going to hear my fan in the background. That's because I'm doing my voiceover super early in the morning. So right here, I'm priming my eyelids with the MAC 24-Hour Extended Eye Base. All my old heads know that I love this eye base. My brows today, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and now we're moving on to my brow bone, which I'm setting from my crease to my brow bone with Beaches and Cream by Makeup Geek. The first transition color I'm going to be using is Creme Brulee by Makeup Geek, and I'm using my fluffy Sephora brush to blend that out. Next, we're going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Burnt Orange and a Zoeva brush. This is a more pointy, tapered brush, and I'm going to just bring that a little bit below where I had Creme Brulee. I want to concentrate it more in the crease area to help deepen that area and just create definition. So I'm just doing windshield wiper motions. And then to deepen it even more, I'm going in with Makeup Geek's Cocoa Bear. And this brush actually doesn't have a name or number on it. It's just a more tapered brush. And again, I'm bringing that a little bit below where I have the burnt orange. Moving on to my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Love this palette. I'm going in with Sassy and Classy on my lid with a flat Sephora brush. So we're just going to pat that and sweep it onto the eyelid. This color is so beautiful. It's like a rose gold. It's perfect for this type of look. Now I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'm tight lining my eyelashes with the Wet n Wild Mega Lash liquid eyeliner. I do this just to help with my lashes. Now I'm going in with ColourPop Get Paid. This is a eyeliner, and then I'm going to smoke that out just a little bit with Cocoa Bear. Using the Marc Jacobs Tantric, I don't know why that's so hard for me to say, I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face. Now going in with this Milani blush in Blossomtime Rose. I'm going to place that on the apples of my cheeks very lightly. This is a nice subtle blush with a small sheen. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Shmmerista in the shade 506 Sunlight. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my face. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with NYX Earth Tone Lip Liner, followed by the Gerard Cosmetics the Super Old Lipstick in the shade Nude. And then to top it off, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Pretty Thing Lip Gloss. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if all you had to do was hit that subscribe button to see my channel. That's all I have to say for today, guys. I hope you all have a pleasant Valentine's Day. Be safe. I love you guys. Mwah. Stay blessed.